start the second lesson of chemistry, where we'll be studying about the chemical changes and reactions. Under what condition the chemical reactions occur? किस किस कंडीशन में केमिकल रिएक्शन हो सकता है? पोटासियम and water, when they are brought in close contact, they combine together to form potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. So they must be in close contact. Similarly, other conditions are there. Heat is sometimes essential for the reaction to occur. Sometimes we have photochemical reaction where light is essential. Sometimes pressure is essential, because nitrogen and hydrogen, when they are brought close to one another, they do not react. Under pressure, at a particular temperature, in presence of catalyst, the reactions are taking place. So pressure, temperature, catalyst, moderator are other essential elements so that the reaction would occur. Electric current is also essential. When we have the electrolysis of water, the electric current is essential condition, otherwise the reaction would not take place. So there are many conditions for the chemical change to occur, which have been placed in the topmost point in the module. Now, what kinds of chemical reaction, how we classify the chemical reactions? The first classification is that combination reaction. Let us see this combination reaction. Reaction in which two reactants combine to form the single product. See that the two reactants, magnesium strip, burning magnesium strip is brought into the jar of oxygen. It combines to form magnesium oxide. And in that reaction, heat is produced, dazzling light is there, change in color also takes place. Magnesium is black color strip, converts into white magnesium powder, and in this way we find that how the reaction takes place and how the color is changing. So that is one thing. Another, the single product is formed. We have this ammonia gas in gaseous state, chlorine in gaseous state. They combine together to form ammonium chloride solid, single product. We have, these are the two compounds which are not in element form. So two compounds even combine together to form the single product, and hence the combination reaction is there. The second one, decomposition reaction. A single compound in presence of heat or in presence of other conditions that decomposes to form two or more compounds, two or more products. Like potassium nitrate, when heated, it forms potassium nitrite and oxygen. Lead nitrate, when heated, it forms lead oxide, NO2 and oxygen. Silver nitrate is heated, we obtain silver as a metal, NO2 as one gas, oxygen as another gas. So this is decomposition reaction. Similarly, displacement reaction, the reaction which more reactive element displaces less reactive element which lies in the electrochemical cell. The example is very common. Zinc combines with copper sulfate aqueous solution, where zinc is in solid state. This displaces copper as copper is less reactive. Copper कम reactive है, zinc ज़्यादा reactive है. ये copper को displace कर देता है. कॉपर सल्फेट का सॉल्यूशन ब्लू होता है, जिंक सल्फेट वाइट जिलेटिनस बन जाता है, कॉपर नीचे सेटल कर जाता है, कॉपर का मेटल नीचे बैठ जाता है उस सॉल्यूशन. इस तरह से ये डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. डबल डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन, द केमिकल रिएक्शन इन व्हिच टू कंपाउंड्स exchange their radicals. Here you see BaCl2 plus H2SO4. I have taken an example. Here we can say that AB plus CD. In this reaction, they change their radicals. A will combine with D, it will form AD. C will combine with B, which will form C. Similarly, here also, barium chloride reacts with sulfuric acid. It forms barium sulfate, exchanging their ions. Sulfate ion comes with barium, so it forms barium sulfate, white precipitate. Hydrogen combines with hydrogen combines with Cl2 and it forms HCl as NaCl. In this way, what we find, they exchange their radicals. Similarly, other reactions are the exothermic reactions, the reaction in which proceeds with the evolution of heat. When we burn coke in presence of oxygen, it forms CO2 and heat is evolved. Similarly, we have endothermic reaction. When we heat, endothermic reaction is like this. Now the endothermic reaction that proceeds with absorption of heat, endothermic reaction. Like we can take calcium carbonate. When you heat this calcium carbonate, it will be forming CaO and CO2. Heat is required here, that we can say like this way. So this reaction absorbs heat, then the reaction takes place. We have the photochemical reaction. Photochemical reaction, the reaction that is proceeds in presence of photo means light. Where light is required, then the reaction that occurs, that is called photochemical reaction. The very famous reaction we know, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. The reaction in which photo is synthesized means light is there, that comes in the reaction and the reaction proceeds. For example, we have 6 CO2 plus H2O in presence of water, and we have the sunlight. Without sunlight, the reaction will not proceed. Chlorophyll is also essential, and it will form C6H12O6 along with evolution of oxygen gas. So this is what the photochemical reaction that takes place. So this is combination of photo means light, जिसमें light का combination होता है, the energy light is there. Now we have the electrochemical reaction. Electrochemical, where electricity is required. What kind of electricity? That must be direct electric current. DC is required. For example, electrolysis of water we know. Very common example, electrolysis of water. Electrolysis of water, what we do is that in the voltmeter, we have cathode and anode. Water is there, acidulated water. This acidulated water means little amount of sulfuric acid are being given into it so that water will become good conductor of electric current. Now it decomposes to give hydrogen and oxygen. 2 volume hydrogen, 1 volume oxygen. So this is electrolysis, decomposition in presence of electricity. Electrolysis of water. Hydrogen is obtained on cathode, oxygen is obtained on anode. The two products are being obtained. So this is called electrochemical reaction, that is followed by the help of direct electric current. Now we have another examples, another classification of chemical reaction. The burning is there. We understand burning. Carbon plus oxygen, it is an example of burning. It forms CO. In our body also, we have the reaction, that is combustion reaction, which takes place in our body, that what we eat, that is being decomposed by respiration, and there also the oxygen is required. So in that case, in the case of burning, the combustible substance are required so that they will burn in presence of oxygen. Sometimes in absence of oxygen, the another supporter of combustion is required. जलने के लिए 3 चीज़ों की जरूरत पड़ती है. बर्निंग के लिए the combustible material is 1, ignition temperature is 2, and the supporter of burning. The 3 conditions are very much required. If anyone is absent, the burning cannot fulfill, burning will be extinguished. So this is, carbon is a combustible substance, oxygen is supporter of combustion, and the burning takes place at a particular temperature. We know for different substance we have different ignition temperature. LPG burns at low temperature, wood log burns at high temperature. So for different substances we have different ignition temperature. Thank you, and in this way it closes the second chapter.